In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build any web scraper app with Apify and n8n. We'll start inside your n8n workspace by opening a workflow. Add two nodes to the canvas, the n8n form and an HTTP request. The form will collect a single input from the user, and the HTTP request will call Apify to run the scraper and return results. Open the form and set it to trigger on form submission. Give the form a clear title and a short description so users understand what they're about to run. Then add a form element. Set its label to Reddit URL and make sure the element type is text input since we're expecting a link. When that's done, close the configuration tab. Now head to console.apify.com. In the search bar, look up a scraper you want to use. For this demo, you can select any scraper appropriate for Reddit content. On the right side of the scraper's page, open the API dropdown, then click API Endpoints. Find the option called Run Actor Synchronously and get dataset items, and copy that link. This endpoint runs the scraper and returns the results when they're ready. Go back to n8n and open the HTTP request node. Paste the endpoint URL into the URL field. Enable Send Body. Change the body content mode from fixed to expression and set the body type to JSON so we can pass a proper payload to the scraper. Return to Apify for a moment. In the input section for the scraper, switch from the form view to JSON. Copy the JSON template you see there. This is the exact structure the scraper expects. Back in n8n, paste that JSON into the HTTP request body. Then go back to Apify once more and switch from JSON back to the form view. Paste your own Reddit URL into the appropriate field to confirm the expected format, and copy that URL so it's ready for your test. Back in n8n, click Execute Workflow. A pop-up form will appear. Give it a moment to load. Type the Reddit URL into the field labeled Reddit URL and click Submit. The workflow will now process your request by running the Apify scraper. Open the HTTP request node's output panel to see your scraped data. Depending on the scraper and the size of the page, this may take a little while. If you don't immediately see results, wait a moment and try refreshing the node's output. That's it. You've built a simple web scraper app in n8n powered by Apify, ready to accept a URL and return structured data.